Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're looking at what might just be the best White Scrabble tiles available. The KUYYFDS 100-piece wooden colorful tiles mix letters set. Whether you're into crafting, spelling games, or unique DIY projects, this set stands out as a versatile and charming option. Right out of the box, you get 100 individual tiles, each made from quality varnished wood. The finish is smooth and gives off a slightly glossy sheen that feels durable and premium to the touch. Each tile measures approximately 18 by 20 millimeters, small enough for compact games or crafts, but large enough that each letter is easy to see and handle. The design uses black transparent screen-printed letters and numbers. That might sound simple, but it makes a real difference. The lettering is crisp, high contrast, and resistant to wear even with frequent handling. Unlike cheaper versions that fade or peel, these stay legible and neat over time. One of the best things about this KUYYFDS set is how multi-purpose it is. It's perfect not only for Scrabble replacements or educational spelling activities but also for arts and crafts projects, wedding decorations, jewelry making, or even home decor. Because the tiles come in a clean white finish, they blend beautifully with almost any theme: rustic, minimalist, modern, or colorful setups. The set is designed for more than just play. If you enjoy DIY projects, you can spell out names on frames, make personalized keychains, or even design creative message boards. Many people use these for classroom learning, teaching letter recognition, and word formation in a tactile way that's more engaging than just pen and paper. The varnished coating adds a protective layer, so the wood doesn't chip or fade easily. This gives each tile a slightly glossy texture that not only looks good but also protects against minor scratches or moisture. They're lightweight but sturdy, which means they can withstand being glued onto surfaces or reused for multiple projects. Let's also talk about the value. Getting 100 pieces in a single pack means you'll have plenty of letters for any creative or educational project. The quantity makes it suitable for both casual users and small business crafters who might want to make multiple personalized items. Overall, the KUYYFDS 100-piece wooden colorful tiles mix letters set delivers a simple but high-quality experience. They're durable, beautifully finished, and extremely flexible in how you can use them, from games to gifts to decor. If you've been searching for a reliable set of White Scrabble-styled tiles that combines functionality with a clean aesthetic, this is a top choice. That wraps up today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more in-depth product insights, and let us know in the comments what creative uses you'd try with these tiles. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.